Hey guys, welcome back. So I have a special video that I wanted to share with you guys, and I'm pretty late with posting this video due to like me being sick and just going through life issues. A company reached out to me and wanted me to review their teeth whitening kits, and they're by Hi Smile, and I never heard of them until they reached out to me. And there's a lot of companies out there that do a lot of this stuff on whitening your teeth at home and everything. But the thing about this company that really intrigued me is that they are vegan and their teeth whitening kit is safe. Unlike most companies where they do have teeth whitening kits and they are not sensitive prone, or like they don't focus or target towards people who have sensitive gums and teeth, as myself. So I was really happy that, I read and I was told that it's vegan and it's safe and it's convenient in your own home to do this kit. So they sent me 2 kits, and one of them is the Day and Night Toothpaste Kit. And it comes with 2 toothpaste. It comes with a daytime toothpaste and a nighttime toothpaste. So the daytime toothpaste, which I'll read right here, it's supposed to be preventing stains from occurring, and it has aloe vera to control bacteria. It's a 5 key mineral for teeth health, and it has like other ingredients in there that is safe for your teeth. And then the nighttime toothpaste is more of a charcoal toothpaste, and I've never tried anything that's activated charcoal on my teeth. And this is more of a natural whitening toothpaste, and also has aloe vera, which controls bacteria and everything else in it. And I'll list their website, like I said, down below, so you can check out their ingredients and what they have in the kits. And if you are okay with it, like I'm definitely 100% behind them when it comes to having your teeth to be safe and also everything else in your body. This one I have is the teeth whitening kit, and this one is $59.99. I didn't mention before what was the toothpaste, but this one is $15.99. So you get 2 of these for $15.99 and this one for $60. And this teeth whitening kit, it comes with the mouth guard and the actual device to where it does lighten your teeth, and it does light up blue. And then it comes with 3 syringes that is for the teeth whitening part. And I must admit, I was really happy that it does come with the mouth guard instead of molding your teeth and having to do it that way. I like this one way better than the other ones that I've tried in the past. This one in particular is a mouth guard, and you put the actual product right on there to surface to where you just put it right directly to your teeth. And then this lights up blue. I'll show you guys a demonstration here. So first, you gently clean your teeth by brushing with your toothpaste, which your regular toothpaste. I use a sensitive toothpaste to where it doesn't hurt my gums. So I am sensitive prone to my gums. And then after you do that, after you brush your teeth and everything, you take the battery out of the LED light, and then you remove the plastic and restrain battery to turn it on. So then after that, you take the mouth guard and the device, and then you simply attach the mouth tray. And then after that, you apply 1/4 syringe of whitening gel to the top and also to the bottom of your mouth tray, and then apply it to the face of the mouth tray. And what I like about this is that it doesn't take 3 hours or anything like that. It takes literally 10 minutes, which is so awesome. And then when it's done, it just beeps. And once you're done, you just rinse your mouth and you rinse out the residue that's on the mouth guard. It does tell you on the kit that you should limit amount of drinks that does stain, like coffee, tea, etc. But me, it's hard because I'm a coffee lover, and I have to drink it out through a straw sometimes because I don't want to continue to have my teeth to be yellow like it did in the past. I'll insert a photo here so you can see how my teeth were before, and I'm not gonna lie, I was disgusted and I was ashamed to even smile in my photos because of the fact that my teeth weren't white. And my teeth aren't porcelain, but they're a lot better than they were before. It did take a couple of days for it to gradually increase to turning white. It's not super white, but it's better than before. And I feel way better now that like, I'm not ashamed of my teeth anymore, the color of my teeth. Like, they're just out there, and when I wear certain lipsticks, they stand out, and I don't have to wear just a red lipstick for it to look white. And the fact that it's just so easy to do this at home. And I'm the type of person, I don't have that type of patience to sit there and have that tools to have in my mouth for that long. And 10 minutes is enough for me. And it's so easy. It's so simple. You can do this right after you brush your teeth. And then you just go in with the daytime toothpaste and then just wash your mouth like you normally do. And then at nighttime, you use the nighttime toothpaste and it just removes all that bacteria. And then it's just like, it's going to keep staying that way, and you just have to be on top of it, which I don't mind doing at all. Also about this kit is safe and it doesn't bother my teeth at all. I have sensitive teeth, as I mentioned a couple of times. And the fact that it does work. They do have a subscription if you are interested or you want to continue whitening your teeth and receiving those products to whiten your teeth, like the teeth whitening gel. So you can definitely sign up for that. I'll post it down below in my description box if you want to sign up and, you know, continue with that. And also, if you have any questions, like if it's safe for people who are breastfeeding or are pregnant, etc., you can definitely check out their FAQ on their website, which I'll also post down below if you are interested in wanting to know certain things that I know I can't answer, but their website can, or somebody that works there can answer it for you. Thank you so much to Hi Smile for this opportunity. I'm truly grateful and so happy. Thank you for bringing back my white teeth and my smile, because if it wasn't for you guys, I don't know, I think my teeth would have continued to turn yellow. But with this opportunity and the easy processing, it just made my life so much easier. And the fact that I can smile really happily again. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And leave me a comment down below if you see a difference from before and after. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.